Good morning, friends. It's Christmas morning. My camera's running out of memory, so I'm not sure how we're going to get this done. But I want to make a quick little video about our happy little birds and show you our sweet little babies. I got frail little Pedro, the Patagonian cock. So like always, I'm going to mix up their formula. This is the Hagen's Tropican formula that I use. I got links to this stuff down in the description. I'm just gonna add some water. Now the violet green baby that we had, he went home a few days ago. So here are the two babies. Like I said, the other one, the bigger one, he went home just a few days ago. There. So that other one, the bigger one, he went home a few days ago. He was fully weaned. And look, this is the baby that has the red eyes. And I can't see any color coming in on the wings or the shoulders. But this one with the dark eyes, I can see the color of the feathers coming in. So this one's going to be an albino or a Lutino or possibly a pallid or palladino. And this one's not. This one's going to be a green or a blue. I would love for it to be a purple or violet.
No, not violet, purple.
Just purple?
Yes.
And they're eating more and more and more. Larger amounts at a time, and that means that I'm having to feed them less often, which is okay with me. So I'm only feeding them 3 or 4 times a day instead of every 20 or 30 minutes. I'm not sure I ever fed them every 30 minutes. But we're going to get those fed. Look, we're done. We're through. That's that. Just as simple as can be. I hope you've enjoyed watching me feed the baby birds. And Merry Christmas. We love you. We appreciate you. God bless you. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday wherever in the world you are. How could you do this? And I have no idea what a ninja does.
Ninja?
Catherine, you know that you poked me in the eyeball about 2 o'clock and asked me if I'm awake?
Yeah.
One day a year you get your pictures taken. Okay?
Multiple days a year.
Yeah,
Just deal with it. Smile for the camera. So that's the thumbnail.
Something suspicious about it.
Don't be suspicious. Wait, turn it around. Hold it up. Such a pretty wreath.
Something suspicious about it.
Don't be suspicious.
I'm not the reason.
Why are you taking it apart?
This is one of your old ones.
We gave you a wreath and you're going to take it apart?
Definitely not a wreath.
It was a wreath.
No.
It had bows and garland and flowers. It's round.
But this one opens up. Steering wheel.
I hope it's the right time.
TDS.
What is it?
It's TDS. No, it's a TDS.
Is that better or worse than a DS?
I think it's better because it's T. Thank you!
What'd you get?
A tablet.
Yeah, that's mine. I like that one for John.
That one took about
Thanks, Jonathan.
That's yours, Captain.
15 minutes to figure out the wrap.
No, I feel bad for what I'm about to do.
I used the same.
Rip it, rip it.
Yeah, I mean, it's
lined it up.
supposed to be ripped.
Yeah, that's all I've been making.
It's a bottle of some kind.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, I know what it is. Oh, thank you.
He every year.
What'd you get, honey?
Look at comb.
Awesome. You love that.
Mom, he gets it for you every year.
Not like mine. Ha ha ha.
Mama, please open
That
this.
might be the last blue lip comb I can get.
It's fully charged, should be. And you have to download the Fitbit app and then.
How do you fit in there? Top or bottom?
Is this a floss water?
Yeah, let me show you.
Yes, I think it is.